Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laurel, the artsy accountant. Today I am going to be working on a diaper cart for the baby. I ordered one in pink from Michael's, so I'm going to build that today. I got a little diaper caddy to go on top. I got this from Target, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. So let's get started. Is so perfect. Oh, I love the color. Okay, so this is what I have come up with. This is from Target. It has these little slots here in the front. So we have those slots. They also have the same slots here on the back. And it came with this little divider that can be clipped in or you can take it out. But I think it looks perfect having two sections of the diapers and then a stack of wipes. So I think that will work just fine. Moving down to the next level. This will not stay like this. I'll keep her backup diapers in her nursery. I still have a lot more stuff to get for her, so that will probably all go right here, like baby powders, lotions, all that stuff. And then the last shelf, this is all of the blankets I have for her right now. So I've just put that here for the time being. But here is how it all came together. I really love it. Of course, I think it's just so cute, but I hope it will also be very functional. I think I can switch things around as needed, and it will just be really nice to kind of push everything back and forth between our bedroom, the nursery, and the living room. So there is my diaper cart. So this is what her dresser is looking like. I got just a regular old dresser from Ikea. I will link this one down below. So let's get into the drawers. Show y'all this first section. So here is where I am gonna keep her wipes, some diapers. This is just all that I have right now. I haven't like stocked up or anything yet. I still have lots of time. I have like her little swaddles in here. I have three. I do want to show you all the pattern though. If you saw my baby haul, you'll notice I had like a lot of woodland theme going on, so I had to pick up these. I have cute little animals on here, little bunny rabbits, deer, I think there was like a fox on here, squirrel, birds, everything, so cute, I love it. So I got that, and then I think these two, this one's just pink, and then this one just has flowers on it, which y'all know too, I love my florals. So those I've just stuck in here for right now. Over here I have her socks and booties. Have to show these off, of course. Little foxes. Got these at Target. And then I just recently got these from my Nana and Grandpa. They're little bears, but get this, I don't know if you can hear it, but they have rattles inside of the little bears. They're so cute. Looks like that, and then all the rest of her socks are in here too. So I'm loving these little cubbies. I'm just not sure, like after the baby shower, if everything is gonna fit in here, so I may have to do some rearranging, maybe swap these out for like bigger bins. It just all depends, but this is how it's looking for now. I have all of her little bows in here. I think I showed these off in another haul, but you know, just show y'all again. I don't think I showed y'all these. These match one of her onesie sets, so I had to get that. All Target, of course. And then this was gifted to me. So I got all of those. This one is my favorite. So all her bows are in here. Okay, and then here on the end, I have some teethers and some of her pacifiers. Cute little Mickey Mouse. But y'all know these are my favorite. So cute. And then I have her thermometer and like a little brush in here. And then for now, I just have like some of her bath stuff in here. I haven't set up like a bathing station. I haven't got her like a tub or anything yet. So that's just here for now. And then these washcloths. You'll notice I like the same patterns. So they're still in the package because just to remind myself that I need to wash those. Okay, so yeah, that is how everything in this top drawer is looking. All right, next drawer is her clothes. So let me show you first the newborn. But this is where I put all of her onesies. So I just have them stacked like this. I see a lot of people like kind of file fold these, which is cute, but it takes a lot of time and they're so small. I mean, it just fits in there without folding it, so I feel like what's the point? So yeah, the simple, functional, easy, that is what I like. So all of her onesies and tops, and then all of her leggings and pants. Again, tiny enough, like I just fold them in half and just lay them in here and stack them, and I feel like that's gonna work just fine. I have a little bit more of like the 0 to 3 months. Again, I just have her pants in one of these smaller bins, and then her onesies, since they are a little bigger, I did get, I did choose one of these bigger containers. It's basically folded under the bottom and just stacked them same way. And then I have like just like little bottoms, and I kind of stacked it so I can see everything. And then these are like her one pieces and like her little rompers. So I've got those stacked in here. Look at this. Little foxes, so cute. So I have that. So that's all 0 to 3 months. I'm sure I'll get some more clothes in, and maybe I'll have to make more room in this bottom drawer, because right now I don't have really anything going on down here. This is kind of just where I've been dumping stuff. So after her baby shower, I figure I'll have this whole drawer for more clothes. So that's what I plan on doing with that. So her dressers here, I knew I also wanted a wardrobe. I got this one just from Ikea. So this is just like a perfect fit for this room. This is all of her 6 to 9 month clothes. So I figured that's just easy, keep down here. And then here I have her 9 to 12 months. And then I only have like a few things hung up, but I do have like some jackets and things. This is the only dress I have so far, surprisingly, and Justin picked this one out. It's really cute. And then this little vest. Y'all have already seen this diaper cart. The reason I have this in here is just to keep it out of the way for now. This is actually gonna go in our bedroom. I don't want it in there quite yet, not until I have like the whole bedside nursery set up. So I'm just keeping it here for now. I went ahead and washed all of the flannel blankets, folded them. I have some more that I got that I need to wash. I have like some pumping supplies in here. I need to figure that situation out, but again, I still have time. And then I have this in here too, because this is also gonna go in our bedroom for the bedside nursery setup. This is gonna be like her baby blanket. I got this from my grandma. It's just so special and beautiful. I really love it. That is why I wanted a wardrobe, because I wanted like a place to keep things, you know, that I'm not ready to deal with yet. I can just like shove them in here. Also wanted a wardrobe because I plan on buying like her diapers and wipes in bulk. So this will be a good place to just like shove those boxes, stack them, whatever, because our clothes aren't going to take up that much space right now. And then these bins up here are just extra storage. So those I'm keeping up there for now until I have a chance to deal with them. So I have a little hamper there, have her dresser set up, her wardrobe right next to it. Nice and convenient. So I custom ordered some knobs from Etsy. They are the Target Cloud Island Floral Fields pattern. And I'll just show you right here. It's gonna look like this pattern on the knobs. All right, so that is that. I hope that gave you guys some ideas if you're working with a small space like me. As you can see, like these two pieces just take up this much room, and it has all that storage, and I think it's gonna work out really well. So I will link these two pieces down below in the description in case y'all are interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.